Water entering a basement can cause damp, damaged finishes and make the space difficult to use. In this guide, we'll look at why basement water ingress occurs, the main waterproofing systems available and how they can help create a dry and protected space. Because basements are below ground level, the walls and floor are exposed to moisture within the surrounding ground. Following heavy or prolonged rainfall, rising groundwater can increase pressure against the structure and find its way through vulnerable areas. Water can enter a basement through cracks, construction joints, surface penetrations and vulnerable wall-to-floor junctions. Understanding where water is entering is an important first step when deciding how the basement should be waterproofed. Common warning signs include damp patches, peeling paint or plaster, white salt deposits and musty smells. In more severe cases, you may also see running water or standing water following periods of heavy rainfall. Basement waterproofing systems are generally classified into three types: Type A, Type B, and Type C. Type A provides external barrier protection, helping to prevent water from entering the structure. Type B relies on the structure itself to provide resistance against water ingress. And Type C uses a cavity drainage system to manage and safely remove any water that enters the structure. Type A waterproofing creates a barrier designed to resist water penetration. In existing basements, this commonly involves applying a specialist cementitious tanking system directly to properly prepared walls and floors. The performance of a tanking system depends heavily on correct preparation. Loose plaster, paint and unsuitable coatings should be removed, while cracks, holes and vulnerable joints must be properly repaired before the waterproofing system is applied. Type C waterproofing takes a different approach. A studded cavity drain membrane creates a controlled drainage space, allowing any water entering through the structure to be safely managed rather than relying solely on holding it back. Water entering behind the membrane travels down towards a perimeter drainage channel. The channel collects the water and directs it towards a suitable drainage point, usually a sump and pump system where gravity drainage is not available. Water is collected within the sump chamber until it reaches a predetermined level. The pump then automatically activates and discharges the collected water safely away from the property. For higher-risk basements, additional protection may be recommended. Twin pump systems can provide redundancy, while high-level alarms and battery backup systems can offer further protection against pump problems and mains power failures. There is no single waterproofing system that is right for every basement. The correct solution will depend on the building construction, water risk, intended use of the space and the consequences should water enter the property. Type C waterproofing systems should always be designed with future maintenance in mind. Drainage channels should be accessible for inspection and cleaning, while pumps, alarms and backup systems should be regularly checked and serviced. With the right waterproofing design, correct installation and appropriate maintenance, a damp basement can be transformed into a dry, protected and valuable part of the property. We supply high-quality products and systems trusted by professionals to deliver reliable, long-lasting waterproofing protection. Alliance Remedial supplies a comprehensive range of specialist basement waterproofing products for trade and DIY projects. From tanking systems and cavity membranes to drainage channels, sump pumps and accessories, we can help you find the right products for your project.